Hi everyone, my name is Chris and I'm from Need for Spread. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video, binary options trading Quotex platform withdrawal update. And in today's video, I will make an update for my previous withdrawal from binary options Quotex platform that I told you about in my previous videos. So if you want to see if I received the money or don't from this trading platform, from this binary options trading platform, stay here until the end of this video. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. So that being said, let's jump into the video. All right. So welcome everybody to this new video for the channel, and in today's video, it is an update from for my previous videos about Quotex platform, Quotex binary options platform. And for those of you who didn't saw my last video, I've made a withdrawal of $600 from Quotex, and I placed the withdrawal inside the platform. But as you may know, probably from every platform, from every broker, that takes 1 to 5 days, business days, to receive the money into your payment account. Depending, you can use with Quotex lots of payment methods like crypto wallets, card, wire, Neteller, Skrill, and so on. You can verify on their platform, and that's depending on the area you reside. There are different type of method that you can use with them. And as I told you, I just made inside the platform, I've made the request for withdrawal. And in today's video I will show you in my Coinbase account, in my Coinbase wallet account, for cryptos, for Bitcoin, if I receive the payment or not. So stay here until the end of this video. But first thing first, for those of you who don't know what Quotex is a dedicated platform for trading binary options, so not forex, only binary options. And the platform, it was launched in 2019 and it's available worldwide. So if you are in Singapore or USA or Canada, you can use this platform to make money by trading binary options online. So the main advantage of Quotex is the premium quality of everything, and there is no exceptions. Transparency of the platform, advanced technology, attractive condition of participants, and all this makes it unique. And I'm telling you from my experience that indeed it is a web-based platform, and it is very easy to use, very responsive, and very fast. Thanks to cooperation with reliable brokers, they achieved a maximum control over quotations by the client. You can always check all the indicators in person. Working to create comfortable environment for all users of the platform, they implemented the best functionality in terms of financial management, and the lightning fast speed of updating codes and the interface is what creates comfort of working with the platform. Now you can withdraw your money as quickly as you can deposit your account. No delays or KS, no transaction processing. So the support service deserves special attention. Each of support staff member is a fan of this job. 24/7 lightning fast feedback and the sincere desire to help. That is why is ahead of alternative platforms, and they are doing everything for your comfortable pastime. So now speaking about tools, Quotex provides over 400 free tools to each client, so they can trade and earn money the way they like. You can choose any asset, currencies, quotes, stocks, majors, metals, oil or gas, as well as the main trend of recent years, cryptocurrencies. And how does the platform work? And you have 4 simple steps. You select the asset of interest, You set the volume of the trade and the closing time of the trade, and you make prognosis on the schedule for a given time, and you get the results of the trade. And that's how simple you can use this platform, how simple it is to use binary options in general. Now let's go ahead and log in into my platform. Let's have a look a little bit on how the platform looks. For those of you who don't know, I started this account with $1,000, and in only 2 days I was able to grow my account to $1,600, and I made already a withdrawal of $600. Yesterday I was able to make $264 because my balance was $1,000 after withdrawal, and it's very simple to use. As you can see, this is my live account. Here you have a demo account if you want to, with $1,000. If you want to learn, first things first, if you want to learn, and this is my advice to you, to go ahead and learn how to use the platform and then put your real money on it. Here is the account, and here are some methods you can withdraw and you can deposit and withdraw your money from, with Coinbase, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Zcash, USD, Ether, and so on. My method was Coinbase, and I have a wallet with Coinbase. My advice to you is to use Coinbase because I'm using them for more than 3 years, and there was no problem with them as your cryptocurrencies wallet. So I'll put a link below this video in the description area. You will receive, I don't know, there is if you are using my link, you will receive I think $50, you know, when you make a deposit of $1,000 in Bitcoin. You can use that you can use that link if you want to open a Bitcoin account and or any other cryptocurrency you want. And also you can use Litecoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Zcash, and USD Ether also, or you can use some e-payments wallets, Adcash, like Adcash, Perfect Money, and also you can use your card, your debit or credit card if you want to make a deposit to this platform. And just keep in mind that the method that you are using to deposit money, you will use it to withdraw your money also. So I used Coinbase. I will use also Coinbase to withdraw my money. As you can see here, I have a withdrawal and it is a succeed on 7, and I will show you. We will go shortly in my Coinbase account to see if I receive this payment or not. Here we have we can see the transaction and so on. Now let's go back to the market and let's go back to my real live account, and now we will go to my Coinbase. All right, and we are in my Coinbase account, and let's go and have a look if I received any payment. All right, and as you can see, the payment is in, and today on 9 January I received Bitcoin of $600. You can see here the payment. So the platform, it works. You don't have to worry about the payments because as you can see, they are paying. There is no problem with this because I know a lot of platforms, a lot of brokers, they don't pay you, they are cheating their traders and they don't pay. But that's not the case with Quotex platform. You can join them with no problem, because I was worried a little bit because it's the first time I make a withdrawal with them and I was worried if they are paying or not. So that's the proof that they are paying, so you can be confident and start trading with Quotex. I'll put a link below this video in the description area for you to join Quotex. If you are using my link, also you can become my partner, because there are 2 ways you can earn with Quotex. You can earn by trading, and also you can invite your friends, your family, or you can do what I am doing. You can make videos and attract more. You can attract more traders, and you will get a commission for this. You will get a small commission. It's not a big commission, but why don't to earn from many sources some money from a platform that is working. And this is my idea. I want to grow a big community of binary options traders. But first thing first, you have to go ahead, you have to deposit a small $100, let's say, to start with $100. And first thing first, you have to be successful yourself, and then to show others, like I'm doing, to show others how to trade and show them a lot of strategies that they can earn money via binary options, and you can earn money from referring a new trader on the platform. But for this, I told you, join my link. You can click on my link, join with my link the platform, make a withdrawal. First things first, go and use the demo account, and then learn, and then start trading, make money, and then you can email me back and I will show you exactly what you have to do in order to be a partner with me and Quotex platform. So that's the video for today. If you have question, put a question below this video in the comments area, or you can email me at chrisbraga@gmail.com. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. In this way, you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. So that's the video for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.